Hey, cut out. Okay, burping contest.
Here we go. We open it because Cassie loves the sound.
We each get one Diet Coke, and we're going for quality, not quantity.
As in louder.
Quality, not quantity.
Yeah, and this is like a burping machine for us. We don't know why.
I'm so giggly. Okay. I miss you.
She's very giggly. Whoa, that was weird.
Choked.
She just choked.
Oh, that was bad. That was like a chokey one. Oh, you're beating my butt.
Yep.
I'll get a good one.
That's a fake one, dude.
Hey, shut up. You're fake. Your mom's fake.
Don't do that to me! Don't ever do that. Oh, oh my God, you scared me.
What?
Yeah, it's just like... Gasty just made me throw up. No.
You didn't throw up. You just like
No,
bad.
No, I threw up.
Ew. You're cleaning out my garbage can.
I have to say that the last one was pretty good. Stop! You're laughing when I'm trying to drink here. Don't drink and drive.
That was really stupid. That wasn't even funny. That was just stupid.
It sounded like I was
Come on,
doing something
we have to burp. We haven't burped yet. We really burped yet.
You keep on making me waste half my Coke.
Giggle.
Giggle, giggle.
Oh, what about that?
That was bad.
Oh, you're bad. I was suck in a bunch of air and then swallow, so it like puts an air bubble underneath, and then you can have a big nice burp. Like that. Okay.
Man, we haven't burped a lot yet.
I know.
We usually burp like twice as much.
Okay, giggle.
Giggle, giggle.
Your mother. Okay. What are you doing? Stop it.
Go.
Ew, my carpet. You're bad.